Guys, no, not the tariff stuff again. Oh my gosh. So this morning, Trump had to open his big presidential mouth and recommend a 50% tariff on the EU starting on June 1st. This is so annoying, guys. But man, and guess what? So Bitcoin took that news, or let's just say the exchanges took that news and took advantage of the high leveraged trades that are at 50x or 100x or anything in between there and rocked them with that candle. So it brought us right back down to this level that we marked with the horizontal ray at 107,000, and it wicked right to that level. And I was thinking to myself, okay, if it was that kind of wick, well, then it was just an exchange flush out. You can see that we have the liquidations were heavy, long liquidation levels for leverage here at these prices, especially right here at that 108,000. And you can see that's kind of exactly where the exchanges wanted to liquidate those longs. And now, if anyone were to be trapped in this area right here to try and go short, well, then that's how they're going to liquidate us on the other side with the shorts and possibly have a quick short squeeze. Because either way, I think that this was just a way for news to basically influence the price action real quick to the downside to get better entries. And I think this was just a quick flush out. This was an opportunity for institutions to get a better price because 112, I mean, we're about to blast off to 120,000. So they thought, okay, well, how can we actually like pull this thing back down a little bit more and stop this train, because the train was going really fast. And they're like, all right, Trump did the tariffs with the 50%. And let's get it down a little bit. So this is what's happening. Hope you guys are doing okay. Hope you're, navigating this volatility, but just watch out. If you're wondering why Bitcoin just crashed with a lot of big quotes, it is because of the tariff announcement. So let's read this real quick. The European Union, which was formed by the primary purpose of taking advantage of the United States on trade, has been very difficult to deal with. The powerful trade barriers, the VAT taxes, ridiculous corporate penalties, non-monetary trade barriers, monetary manipulations, unfair and unjustified lawsuits against American companies, and more have led to a trade deficit with the U.S. of more than $250 million a year, a number which is totally unacceptable. Our discussions with them are going nowhere. Therefore, I am recommending a straight 50% tariff on the European Union starting on June 1st. There is no tariff if the product is built or manufactured in the United States. Thank you for your attention on this matter. So that is major, major pressure from the United States and the Trump administration towards the European Union to make a deal. So let's see what happens. Let's see how this volatility keeps shaking out right here. But it's looking like that could have been the wick. We went down to 107. Hopefully they don't max pain us down into this level, because I'm watching 106.4. And then we have another order block level at 104,000. But guys, just be careful out there. Be careful with this volatility, man. With the Trump tariff announcements, we saw what happened last time when we had a tariff announcement. It just went, the market just went kaput. So let's see if we can withstand the Trump Telegram messages. Peace out, guys.